Energy-efficient windows in Kendall, Florida, are a crucial investment for homeowners looking to reduce energy costs and improve home comfort. These energy-efficient windows Kendall are designed to minimize energy loss, making them an essential component of any energy conservation strategy. By choosing energy-efficient windows Kendall, residents of Kendall can enjoy lower utility bills and a more sustainable home environment. Window insulation services in Kendall are vital for enhancing the thermal performance of your home. Proper insulation of energy-efficient windows Kendall helps prevent heat loss during the winter and keeps your home cool in the summer. This service is particularly important in Kendall, Florida, where the climate can be quite variable. Insulating your energy-efficient windows Kendall effectively can lead to significant energy savings and improved comfort year-round. Double-glazed windows in Kendall offer superior insulation compared to single-pane windows. These windows consist of 2 layers of glass with a space in between, which acts as an insulating barrier. When paired with energy-efficient windows Kendall, double-glazed windows are an excellent choice for homeowners in Kendall looking to improve their home's energy efficiency and reduce noise pollution from the outside. Low-E glass installation in Kendall is a popular choice for those seeking to enhance their windows' energy performance. Low-E glass technology, when applied to energy-efficient windows Kendall, helps reflect heat while allowing light to pass through. This keeps homes in Kendall cooler in the summer and warmer in the winter, contributing to energy conservation and reduced utility bills. Thermal windows in Kendall, Florida, are designed to provide optimal insulation and energy efficiency. By incorporating materials that minimize heat transfer, energy-efficient windows Kendall are ideal for the warm climate of Kendall. Installing thermal energy-efficient windows Kendall allows homeowners to significantly reduce their energy consumption and improve their home's overall comfort. Window replacement in Kendall is a smart investment for those looking to upgrade their home's energy efficiency. Replacing old windows with energy-efficient windows Kendall can lead to substantial energy savings and increased property value. Kendall homeowners benefit from the latest energy-efficient windows Kendall technologies that offer improved insulation and reduced energy loss. Energy-saving windows in Kendall are designed to minimize energy consumption and maximize comfort. These energy-efficient windows Kendall feature advanced technologies that reduce heat transfer and enhance insulation. By installing energy-efficient windows Kendall, residents can enjoy a more comfortable home environment and lower energy bills. Energy-efficient windows in Kendall, Florida, are a crucial investment for homeowners looking to reduce energy costs and improve home comfort. These energy-efficient windows Kendall minimize energy loss, making them an essential part of any energy conservation strategy. Choosing energy-efficient windows Kendall ensures lower utility bills and a more sustainable living environment. Window insulation services in Kendall enhance the thermal performance of homes by optimizing the function of energy-efficient windows Kendall. Proper insulation of these windows prevents heat loss during colder months and maintains cool indoor temperatures in the summer. This service is vital for Kendall's variable climate, ensuring your energy-efficient windows Kendall deliver maximum savings and comfort. Double-glazed windows in Kendall, when paired with energy-efficient windows Kendall, provide superior insulation and noise reduction. The dual-glass panes and insulating barrier enhance thermal efficiency, making them a perfect match for homeowners seeking to optimize their home's energy efficiency. Low-E glass installation in Kendall, applied to energy-efficient windows Kendall, reflects heat while permitting natural light, creating a comfortable indoor environment. This advanced feature keeps Kendall homes cool in the summer and warm in the winter, contributing to energy savings and cost efficiency. Thermal windows in Kendall, Florida, are constructed for superior insulation, making them a cornerstone of energy-efficient windows Kendall. By reducing heat transfer, these windows help homeowners lower energy consumption and enhance year-round comfort. Window replacement in Kendall with energy-efficient windows Kendall is a significant upgrade for both energy savings and home value. Modern energy-efficient windows Kendall feature cutting-edge technologies that provide improved insulation and environmental sustainability. Energy-saving windows in Kendall, including energy-efficient windows Kendall, combine advanced materials and design to reduce energy consumption while enhancing comfort. By choosing these windows, Kendall homeowners can minimize their carbon footprint and enjoy sustainable living. Insulated glass units in Kendall, integrated into energy-efficient windows Kendall, are designed to reduce heat transfer and improve insulation. These units are an excellent solution for homeowners aiming to optimize their home's energy efficiency and lower heating and cooling costs.